Yeah. Namaste everyone. Today the episode 37th of Patanjali Yoga Sutra series. Today we will be learning about the karmashaya and the karma, how it is going to impact on the kleshas. We learnt about the kleshas in the last episodes. If you have not yet watched, please go through the previous episode so to understand in a better way. See, the Karmashaya, the 12th Sutra, Klesha Mulaha Karmashayo, Drushta Drushta Janma Vedaniyaha. 13th Sutra, Sati Mule Tadvipako Jatyad Ayur Bhogaha. That means these karmashaya, the storehouse, is going to give rise to some of the afflictions in the present birth and the future birth. Let us understand this karmashaya and the kleshas with one example. It becomes much more clear. You might have seen a farmer who has have a storehouse for the seed and the land. Okay, so he will take the seeds from the storehouse, okay, and he will reap the seeds in the soil, and he will wait for some time and nurture it, and then he will get the crop. This is a usual process. When we compare, that seed house is nothing but the karmashaya, the past karma that we have done in the past life. That is a seed bag that will be there along with our soul. Those are kleshas that we are carrying from the previous birth, that is stored. And at the right time, when we take an action in this present life, those seeds will get ripen, tadvipako, that will ripen, and that will give a result. Okay, that will give that crop is nothing but the fruits of the kleshas that we are carrying from the previous birth. So if you really want to improve your future, so we need to take an actions in our present life which will help us not to increase our kleshas for the next birth, and also get rid of all the past karma, and so that we can go towards then moksha. So if we are afflicted by these kleshas, then again and again we have to take a birth to empty that seed bag, empty that storage house that will be there. That's what he was trying to say, like we need to purify the works that we are doing at this present life. And what are the fruits that we get out of when we do this karmas in our present life? The fruits depend upon the past merit. Te, in 14th shloka, he explains about Ter ladha paritapa falaha punya apunya hetutvat. The happiness or a sorrow as their fruits depending upon the merit or a demerit. That means whatever the happiness that we are enjoying at this present life, it is because of whatever that we have done in the past life also and the present karma also. And if you are suffering sorrow, that is unhappiness in your life, it is because of your past life actions or a past life action karmas. That's why you are suffering at this today, even though you are taking in good actions in this life. Some people say, see, I'm doing all the right things in my life, I'm still suffering. Why I'm suffering? It may be because of your past life karmas that you are suffering at this lifetime. Okay, so if you really want a future should be a more brighter and not to suffer, then please do a good karma at this life so that you'll not carry any baggage for your next life. Okay, that is a message that Patanjali Yoga Sutra telling us to be in present and take a right action at right time so that we'll not carry any baggage. Thank you.